What is going on, guys? I am Jack. Welcome back to Log Cabin Firewood. This is a Stihl MS462C ported by Iowa Performance Saws. This is a bad mammer jammer. I've also got the MaxFlow air filter kit on here. I got a lot of West Coast saw parts on here as well, you know, bolt-ons. But today I'm going to be installing the Faller suspension kit on this 462. You don't need a whole lot of special tools. You need just a regular scrunch with the the flat screwdriver on it, and then a scrunch with your Torx on it. Or if you have a Torx for your drill, you can use that as well. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take the handlebar off. To do that, you take your top cover off. I am going to take the little top support part off here. Just makes it a little easier for the bar to come off. Kind of remember all these screws too, where they go, what they are. 2 screws on the right hand side of the handle. Squeaky. There's 2 underneath here that are located right here and right here. Now there's a hidden screw on these saws so that you can replace this little rubber bushing, and it is behind the dog. And I have a West Coast dog on here. I might be able to take it out, but most times you loosen the bottom screw on the dog and it will pop out. But I think I can actually take it out without removing the dog this time. Let's see. It fits. Now the fun part. So everything kind of just wiggles loose. And what we will be replacing is this foam bushing and replacing it with this, I think it's a neoprene or like a rubber bushing. Just remember that the concave part goes out. And that's it. We can put this back on. But there's 2 other bushings in here I'm going to replace first while everything's loose. And I'm probably going to pull this bar off. And the easiest way to do that is to pull it straight back over your arm. Now there's 2 other bushings on here, and while this whole thing's apart, there's one here, and there is one on this back side here, right there. So we have to take those 2 out. Now the best way to do that is just use a little screwdriver. The one on the clutch side will push right out. Now you can lube these up a little bit so that they go in easier. A little bit of WD-40. I am giving this thing a little bit of assistance. There we go. She's in there. And that will tighten that up. Now let's get this one out. Same thing. We will lube it up. Now I've seen some people take the actual pull cord off. So maybe I can see this a little better down in there, because I might have to do what I just did and give it a little assistance once the little piece of rubber gets into the hole, because it is a tight fit. These have really tight tolerances. Now I can see it there. I don't really think I had to take that off, but this might help me be able to see a little better. So that's it. Everything's in. Now let's assemble the sole again. I do think having a Torx bit on a drill is faster than this, but you do have to be careful. You don't want to crank anything down. This is aluminum and plastic parts that you're putting these screws back into. And that's it. I will go through and put the bar on and everything. I'll show you what this thing looks like all together. Beautiful saw. Be right back. These newer saws come with the Strong X bar. It's just a regular Roll-O-Matic bar. It's not a light bar, but I do like the black look. It's pretty sharp with all the other black accessories on here, you know, the black cover. Eventually I will put a light bar on here. I do like to run light bars. Now the faller suspension kit is really for when you are setting up a saw to run a massive bar, like, you know, 36 or better. I don't know, 28 or better. I run 25-inch bars. You really don't need the faller suspension kit. It's more a preference, but I do prefer to have a tighter saw. And why not? There you have it. The Stihl MS462, ported by Iowa Performance Saws. Really nice saw. But that was how you put the faller suspension kit on. Easy peasy. I think it took me maybe 10 minutes. What else am I gonna do when it was hot and humid today? Take care of each other. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps somebody.